Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find your lost AirPods location. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go to find the Find My app. Okay, if you can't find it, just swipe down and then use the search bar and type down My or Find My app. Okay, just go ahead and tap on it. And then once done, you'll be able to see all of your devices right here. For example, your iPhones, your MacBooks, AirPods Pro, AirPods, or whatever Apple device. Okay, so what you do basically is just go ahead and tap on the device from here. For example, this one. Okay. Now, make sure that you go ahead and enable Bluetooth first. Okay. Enable Bluetooth, and then after that, you should now be able to see an option to play a sound. Okay. So just go ahead and tap on play a sound, and it's going to try to connect if it's near. Again, if it's near. Now, if it's not near, you should be able to see if the AirPods is turned on, directions right here. Okay? So, if none of these options works for you, well, you can go ahead and scroll down and tap on activate right here and mark it as lost. Because when you go ahead and activate the mark as lost right here, you can now then be able to view its live or last known location on the map when someone turns it on or connect it to their device. Also, they will get, or the person who found it will get a notification showing your lost message and contact details. And after that, your AirPods remain securely linked to your Apple account, preventing anyone else from pairing them or removing them from your Find My network. All right, that is it. That is how to find your lost AirPods location. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.